Have been trading on OTC currency pairs. You can trade OTC pairs with no problem on weekends, even at night, as you wish. Hi guys, I'm very glad to see you here again, and today it's a weekend and we have special plans for our trading. So before we start, subscribe to my channel, put your like, write a comment, find a link to my personal Telegram in the description under this video, write to me the code word private and I will add it to my private chat where I post trading signals with the yield of 85%. Actually, you can trade with me and we will keep in touch thanks to this chat, so you're very welcome. Also, you can find a link to the reviews about my private chat. Lots of people who already are members, they do their best and they're trading, so join us and we're getting started. So guys, today we're trading on Quadex platform. Today is a weekend day, so that means that only OTC currency pairs are available for trading today. Currency pairs with OTC mark are broadcasting only on weekends and also at night. That is the moment when exchanges are closed and the ordinary currency pairs are not available. OTC currency pairs are generated by the platform and also it can be recorded as a currency pair for any period. Our deposit today is $1 and I'll try to overclock it up to $3,000. The first citation for our trading is at support level. We can see the price approaching the level, so I propose to open a trade where down for 1 minute, expecting a downward pullback of this level. So I think we can open a trade where down. Let's wait for the results. Excellent guys, there was a good pullback down of the support level and we are getting the profit. First trade went down smoothly. Let's continue. Here is the support level. Also, we can see that the price has approached this level for the first time, quickly, impulsively and confidently. After that, there was an upward pullback. And here's the price is approaching this level again and started to break through that. We can see this because of their candlestick shadows, which are located out of the level area. We are opening a trade where down for 1 minute, expecting the price will break through the level. Let's wait for the results. Excellent, the price has broken through the support level and moved down. Here we get the excellent profit, so let's continue. There is a support level here. Also, there was a good downtrend. We can see the price ticking to our level and it starts to break through the support level quite confidently with the red impulsive candlestick. So I would like to open a trade here where down, expecting the price breaking through this level. So guys, let's wait for the results of this trade. Excellent, the price has broken through the support level and moved down. And here we're getting the excellent profit. So let's keep on our trading. Here is the support level again. Also, we can see the price approaching this level and I would like to wait for the support level to touch but the price, and if there is an impulsive move down, then we will open a trade with up, expecting the pullback of the support level. That's great. Here's an impulse. The price is touching the level, so we're opening a trade with up, waiting for the pullback. I think 1 minute will be enough in this case, so let's wait for the results. It's great, there was an excellent pullback of the support level, and we get the brilliant profit. There are almost $8 on our deposit and we're chasing our goal for this day. Let's keep on. There's support level here. Also, we can see the price had touched the level several times. After that, there was some upward pullbacks and here it's approaching the level again. I would like to wait for the touch of the support level and open a trade with up, expecting the pullback. I think there will be a small pullback and we will get a profit of this trade. So guys, let's wait for the results. It's excellent. There was a great pullback of the support level and the price moved up to the internal resistance level, drawing some green candlesticks. That's why I would like to open a trade with down immediately. I expect a pullback down after such a strong up move. Okay, we're opening a trade with down for 1 minute, expecting a pullback of the internal resistance level. Let's see the results. Wow, it's great! There was a strong pullback of the level and we are getting the profit. So let's move on to the next citation. Here we can see a support level. Also we can see that the price has broken through this level and moved down quite strongly. I propose to wait for the move continuation, and by the moment it starts to pull back with the green candlestick, we will open a trade with up for 1 minute, expecting a pullback after the support level breakthrough. The price is slowing down and the green candlestick is appearing, and I'm opening trade with up, and I think we will see a pullback up for sure. So guys, let's wait for the result. Excellent guys, there was a great pullback and we're getting a profit again. We have $45 on our deposit, so let's continue. Here's the next citation. There is a support level here. Also we see the price moving to the level quite impulsively. I would like to wait for the touch when the price will move to our level as close as possible, and we will open a trade with up, expecting the pullback of the support level. Here we can see the price approaching the level, so guys, I'm opening a trade with up. I'm sure we will see a pullback up of this level. Let's see what happens. It's excellent. There was a pullback of the support level and we're getting the profit here. Let's see the next citation. Here's the resistance level. Also we can see the price taken to this level. I think in this citation there will be a breakthrough through this level, yeah, soon. I propose to wait before the price starts to move, and after that I'll open a trade. Okay guys, here's an upward impulse and the price is breaking through the resistance level. We're opening a trade with up during the impulse, and I think that 1 minute will be quite enough here, so let's wait for the results of this trade. Well, not bad. The price had broken through the resistance level and moved upper, and again we're getting the profit. Let's move on to the next citation. There is a resistance level here. Also we can see the price approaching the level quite impulsively, and I would like to wait for the level to touch by the price and open a trade back down, expecting the pullback down. Here's an impulse. The price has touched the level, so we're opening a trade back down. Let's wait for the results. Excellent, this level is quite strong and we're getting a good pullback and we are getting a profit, of course. Let's continue. Here we can see a strong downtrend moving. Also there is a support level. I propose to open a trade with down for 2 minutes, and I'm sure that the price will keep to move down to this level. So let's wait for the results. That's excellent guys, the price is keeping to move down and we're getting a profit. By this moment we have $394 our deposit, so we're going to keep on. There is a strong uptrend here. Also we can see a resistance level which have been touched by the price, and after that there was a pullback. Now the price is approaching this level again and we can see it is taken to the level. I would like to see what happens next. And if there will be an upward impulse, then we will open a trade with up, expecting the breaking through this level. Okay guys, here's an impulse and we're opening a trade with up. Let's see the results. Well guys, we have opened this trade during the impulse and the price is keeping to move up, so we're getting the profit. So let's continue. Here is the support level. Also we can see the price has touched this level several times. After that there were a few pullbacks of it. By the moment the price is approaching and sticking to the level again. Here's a red candlestick breaking through the support level. So I'm going to open a trade with down, expecting this level to be broken through. So let's see what is going to happen. Good, the level has been broken through and we're getting the profit. So we have $1,321 in our deposit, and to achieve the goal we need to trade just 2 times more. So let's continue. There is a resistance level here. Also, we see the price touched the level several times and pull back after that. And here's the price is approaching the level again. This level is quite strong. And we can notice this because of the candlestick shadows. Every time the price is approaching the level, it moves down immediately. And that's why we see so long shadows of the candlesticks. I propose to wait, and if there will be an impulse to the level, I would like to open a trade with down for 1 minute, expecting the pullback of the resistance level. And I think we will see at least one pullback more of this level. Okay guys, here's an upward impulse and we're opening a trade with down. Let's wait for the results. It's great, there was a strong pullback of the level and we're getting the profit again. Let's open the last trade for the day. Here we can see resistance level. Also we can see the obvious price sticking to the level, and I would like to wait for the next price move, and if we see an impulse breaking through this level, we need to open a trade with up for 1 minute. So guys, here's an impulse and the price is breaking through our level and I'm opening a trade with up. Let's wait for the results. It's great! The price has broken through the level and we're getting the profit again, and we get $3,021. And that means that we have achieved the goal, so I can finish for today. So all the trades went well, even despite the fact that we have been trading on OTC currency pairs. You can trade OTC pairs with no problem on weekends, even at night, as you wish. And I can tell you one thing, that you are very welcome to trade any way you would like, and it's very important to trade together. So I'm inviting you to my private chat, where you can find the link in the description under this video. You can just write me the code word private. I will add it to this private chat, and you can ask any questions. You can copy my strategy, my techniques, and it will help you to make your own money. It's very valuable, I suppose. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, come to my Telegram, check the reviews about my private chat if you're interested, and so see you in the next videos.